Good morning students. Now we are learning the chapter The World of Communication. Today we are going to study how to write the address for posting a letter. And next we are going to study about the email. About the email. And next, how does the news come to us? We know the different types of news. How does the news come to us? And the different
Children,
news
now we are
channels and
studying the chapter
newspapers.
The World of
Let's
Communication. Today first we are going to study how to write an address for a letter. If we want to send a letter, we should write the address. That is from address and to address. The from address is the address of a person who wrote that letter. That is, if I want send a letters to other person, the from address is mine. It's mine address. And the to address is the address that the person we want to send the letter. To address is the other person's address. So, when we write the from address, first we should write our own name. Here Alina V. And our house name. Here Swastham. And the post name. Our place post name. And our district name. Here Kozhikode district. Our district is Malappuram. Here Kozhikode district and the pin code of that district. This is all about from address. And in to address, first we should write the other person name. Here Shaji KS and his house name and his post name and his district name and the pin code of that place. So, we should write the from address and to address to send a letter. Then next we are going to study about email. Email is a part of mass media. We are using email to send text, images, videos, etc. We can send text, images, video through the email. We should want a email address to send the text, images, video, etc. The sender and the recipient should have email. We all have email address for different purposes. So, we discussed about different mass medias like newspaper, email, social media, etc. So, what is mass media? Mass media is a system that transfer news. Mass media transfer news, informations and stories to large number of peoples. It transfer the news, information and stories to large number of peoples. Then next, how does the news come? We know that there are different types of news around us. And how does the news came to us? By radio, TV channel, newspaper. The radio contain audio news, songs, advertisements, etc. TV channel contain audio visual news, films, advertisement, etc. And the newspaper contain news, articles, advertisements, etc. So this all help to give information to us. And the next, news channels in Malayalam and newspapers in Malayalam. What are the news channels in Malayalam? Media One, Manorama News, Madhrubhumi News, Asianet News, 24 News. These all are news channels in Malayalam. And the newspapers in Malayalam, Madhyamam, Deshabhimani, Malayala Manorama, Mathrubhumi, Chandrika. So, you should all study the names of news channels in Malayalam and newspapers in Malayalam. So, in this class, we discussed about how to write address to send a letter. And next, we discussed about email and also the mass media. And we discussed about the news, how does the news come, and radio, TV channel.
So, in this class, we discussed about email, newspapers, different news channels, newspapers, etc. Okay? So, all should read the textbook and write the notes. Thank you.